Good morning students, welcome back to the online class. In this video you are all going to learn Social Term 2 Unit 1 Ancient Excavation Part 2. In last class we learned about excavation and pyramids in Egypt into civilization. A short recap of the last class. Excavation. Excavation is a controlled exploration of what lies under the earth's surface. Excavation are classified based on the purpose like planned, accidental or rescue. The most excavations are pre-planned and the purpose is to find the buried evidence from the site. Archaeologist. An archaeologist can tell a lot about the people who lived in the past. Archaeologists. The people who studied the history of humans and places through the excavation and analyze the artifacts are called archaeologists. These are some pictures of excavation. Some interesting examples from the world. Pyramids in Egypt. The pyramids were excavated. It found that the small pyramids were made for queens. The huge tombs with superstructures which were built for the royal families. Indus civilization. Indus civilization is also called as Harappan civilization. It was the first site to be excavated in the 20th century. The baked bricks were found there. The city was well planned houses with wells and proper drainage system. There were advanced granaries, great bath and protective walls are found in the Indus civilization. Today you are going to learn excavation sites in Tamil Nadu. First one, Adichanallur. Adichanallur is in Thuthukudi district. The artifacts unearthed were urns, pottery of various kinds, red ware and black ware, iron implements, daggers, swords, spears, and arrows. Some stone beads and a few gold ornaments also there. Bronze objects representing domestic and wild animals like tiger, antelope, and elephants have been unearthed. Antelope means a kind of deer. The artifacts prove that the people were skillful in making pottery and in working stone and wood. These are some pictures of Adichanallur. Next one, Arikamedu. Arikamedu is an archaeological site situated near Puducherry. We have come to know through the excavation that the coastal village Arikamedu had trade relationship with the Rome. Archaeologists found Rome lamps, glass, stone beads, germs, cutleries and crockery, wine containers in that place. He mentioned that those antiques were new for the local fishermen of the village. The dinosaur eggs were discovered at the Senturai in Arilu district. Next, Keeladi. Keeladi is in Sivagangai district. The Archaeological Survey of India ASI excavated an ancient town dating to the Sangam age. In Keeladi village at Tirupavaram district, excavation was produced evidence for brick buildings and well laid out drainage system. Tamil Brahmi inscripted pottery, beads of glass, carnelian, quartz, pearl, gold ornaments, iron objects, shell bangles, and ivory dies have been unearthed. The Roman artifacts found at the site add to the evidence of Indo-Rome trade relations. Unearthed means find something in the ground by digging. These are the pictures of artifacts that found in the Keeladi. Children, shall we recap the lesson? Excavation is the process in which the people dig the earth to find the things that were used long ago. The next point, archaeologists they study the history of humans and places through the excavation and analyze the artifacts. The next one, pyramids of Egypt and Great Bath of Indo civilization are excavational sites in the world. The next one, Adichanallur, Kiladi, and Archimedu are the important excavational sites in Tamil Nadu. Children, complete the classwork exercise in your classwork note and finish the book exercise in your book. Prepare well for the November monthly test. Thank you, children.